Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech Guru. So finally friends, I did receive my OnePlus 11R device just today, and this is a quick unboxing and initial impressions review about this OnePlus 11R device. So let me show you the quick unboxing experience of this OnePlus 11R. I'm getting so many comments asking me to upload a video on this OnePlus 11R, and finally it is the video friends for you all. And I'm going to compare pretty good with so many videos uploading. I'll definitely do on the Realme GT Neo 5 comparing with the OnePlus 11R as well, because OnePlus 11R and the Realme GT Neo 5, they both have the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. So that's the main reason I'm going to compare these both phones side by side in the next upcoming days. And right now I do have the OnePlus 11 device with me, and it's going to be really very interesting to see how well this phone gonna perform against the OnePlus 11 device. So stay tuned for those videos also in case if you're interested. So meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe to my channel friend. Also do check the links in description for more videos on this OnePlus 11 and OnePlus 11R, even the Realme GT Neo 5. All the links will be available in the description below regarding the device comparisons. So don't forget to check the playlist videos, because I'll definitely create the separate playlist for the OnePlus 11R so that you can actually stay up to date information about the OnePlus 11R smartphone. So right now I'm trying to do the initial setup process at this moment, so let me do that. So right now, as you can see friends, the setup process is going to finish very soon, and let me do. So right now, as you can see, the phone started to boot up at this moment, and let's get started. So right now I did to the first time of initial setup process has been done completely in this OnePlus 11R device. As I said, very soon I'll definitely upload a lot of in-depth comparison with other smartphones regarding the performance and overall review about this device. So stay tuned for those videos as well, in case if you're interested to know how is the overall performance going to be there in this OnePlus 11R device comparing with the OnePlus 11, and how will be the battery life, and how will be the performance, and regarding the camera and everything, and how is the display. Overall, I'll definitely concentrate on this all of these topics in the next upcoming days. So I've been waiting for this device for a pretty long time, and finally I got hands on with this device as well. And this is a 12GB RAM version which I did order right now, and 12GB RAM has got 12GB of external RAM capabilities as well. Android 13 out of the box the phone did get, so which is really fantastic. So this is a quick initial impressions friends about this OnePlus 11R device. You got an unboxing experience as well, but don't worry, I'll definitely concentrate on other aspects of on this device as well very soon. Meanwhile, signing off, and stay tuned for more updates, and let me know in the comments what other videos you want me to upload on this device. There's IR blaster on the top, and dual speaker setup, and the premium quality build quality, and curved edges as well, which are also really good. That's the only one thing which I did miss in this Realme GT Neo 5. The curved edges, there is no curved edges in this Realme GT Neo 5. So because of this curved edges, you feel you're using the premium device. That's the only one thing which I'm missing is Realme GT Neo 5 overall. And the phone has got the, I think, 100 watts of fast charging capabilities, so which is 100 watts fast charger, which is a superbook charger, which is, as you can see, 100 watts, so which came along with the box, and 5000 mAh of battery capacity as well. So that's it friends, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more updates, and meanwhile signing off, and bye.